Welcome to this tutorial on fixing the Canon printer error code 7800. This error code typically occurs when there is a problem with the printhead or ink system of your Canon printer. To resolve this issue, follow these steps. First, understand the meaning of error code 7800. It usually indicates a printhead alignment issue or a problem with the ink cartridges. Causes of this error include misaligned printheads, clogged ink nozzles, or incorrect installation of ink cartridges. To fix error code 7800, start by turning off your Canon printer and then turning it back on. This simple step can sometimes resolve the issue. If the error persists, proceed to the next step. Next, check the ink cartridges for any issues. Ensure they are properly installed and not empty. Remove and reinstall the ink cartridges to see if this resolves the error. Also, check for any clogs in the ink nozzles and clean them if necessary. If the issue is with the printhead alignment, try realigning the printheads. You can do this by printing a test page and following the on-screen instructions to adjust the printhead alignment. You can also use the printer's built-in printhead cleaning function to clean the printheads. In some cases, the error code 7800 may require more advanced troubleshooting. Check the printer's user manual or contact Canon support for further assistance. They can provide you with more detailed instructions or repair options if necessary. Best practices to prevent error code 7800 include regularly cleaning the printheads and ink nozzles, using genuine Canon ink cartridges, and avoiding overheating of the printer. By following these steps and tips, you should be able to fix the Canon printer error code 7800 and get your printer working properly. Again,